Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating settings and launching digital well-being so controls work reliably. Once done, open Settings, tap Digital Well-being and Parental Controls. This centralizes screen time tools. You'll enable Focus Mode or Bedtime Mode as the first actionable step to immediately pause distracting apps. Do this now so other limits you set later take effect. Make sure battery optimizations won't stop the app. That's why updates and permissions matter before creating timers, routines, or parental restrictions. Next, you apply precise limits. Tap App Timers and pick high-use apps, then set daily minutes or hours. This enforces automatic pauses. Once app timers exist, create a focus mode that blocks remaining distractions but allows essentials like calls. Name and save it. You can schedule focus or bedtime routines to activate automatically at chosen times. This combination stops impulsive checking and enforces consistent breaks, and you'll want to test a short timer to confirm behavior before finalizing longer. Finally, lock in limits and add fail-safes. Enable parental controls or use secure lock screen options so settings aren't easily changed. If timers or focus mode fail, check app permissions and disable battery optimization for digital well-being and Samsung system apps. Those settings can silently stop enforcement. Restart the phone after changes, then rerun a timer to verify. If issues persist, remove and re-add the affected timer or routine. That usually resets triggers and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.